Check this out, 2007 Kia Sportage LX. This thing is clean. Clean Carfax, clean interior, non-smoker, nicely equipped. 113,000 original miles. Has the original window sticker, owner's manual. This was originally sold in Florida. Look underneath here. Look at the door panels. It's $59.95. Comes with our zero deductible service contract warranty. Good anywhere in the country. If you want to extend that for longer, that's on your dime. I paid for the first 3 months, 3,000 miles. Look how clean this is here. No rust. Look at the interior. A light interior and it's spotless. Seats fold down. We take all forms of payments and or trades. If you need help with financing, we can arrange that on the premise. This is an 07. Shop around. This has to be the cleanest one around, with a zero deductible service contract that you'll find anywhere. No rust. Look inside the fenders. We now specialize in rust-free automobiles. We get them serviced, they're ready to go, they look good, they run great, and they come with a warranty. Folks, how can you beat that? Peace of mind. Come check us out at Tempest Motors, and we have new inventory coming in daily. Thanks for looking.